It's Vlogmas Day 24!
It's the dream.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring, jingle bells roll.
For my outfit today on Christmas Eve, we have wavy hair, of course, same jewelry as every day, no makeup right now, going to my mom's, not really going out anywhere, and due to time, just gonna go out like this, give my face a break before tomorrow. And then I have on this Chiefs shirt, Kansas City, of course, they do play tomorrow in Kansas City. It is raining outside today, but it's not super cold. It's around like 50 degrees, so I felt like this was a good oversized, comfy shirt to wear. Some navy blue skinny jeans from Old Navy, and of course my white Converse with the red trim. So we are about to head to my mom's. Joey and I are going over there to do our Christmas with her. Every Christmas Eve, I celebrate Christmas with my mom, and then Christmas Day, I celebrate with my dad. So there will be a vlog tomorrow if you've been keeping track. We have my dad's Christmas tomorrow and his family, so we will have another vlog and of course my Christmas haul. But today we'll be going to my mom's and celebrating with her and doing our gifts there. Last day of the dog's advent calendar. Let's see what we have for day 24. The one last year had a really special big one, but this one doesn't look like it's going to be anything different. We have another one of these things. Don't know what happened to the macaroons, like after a couple days, but this is their last one. See if they're different sizes again. What do you know? 2 different sizes again. So strange. Okay, Marley, last day. Show them all what you've been doing. Good job. Sadie, no pressure, but you don't get any more after this. Marley, get away from her. Oh, it bounced off your mouth. We'll give it to you because Marley was making you nervous. Okay, time for our last one. Day 24, nothing special it looks like. All the waiting is finally done. Have a Christmas full of fun, even though it's Christmas Eve. But that's okay. Finally done.
Some tester, or what are they called?
Yeah, they're little samples.
Samples,
Yeah.
that's the word.
Little
Ooh,
samples.
Mercedes. I love these things because I get to try everything.
Every different kind, and they're all name brands.
Holy hell, just a bunch of Jolly Ranchers.
You're gonna have to have a container for them.
Happy Nuts.
Oh my gosh, I had that on. I had that on your
I've
list
never even heard of
of
that.
stuff to get you.
You're my favorite asshole.
Okay, there's a reason behind that. You'll see it in a minute. You'll get it in a minute. You'll get it in a minute. You're not an asshole.
That's funny. Oh, I'm an asshole.
Zoe said you basically accidentally have a collection of keychains now.
Because of me.
Yeah.
Because of her. So I
it's
thought
wrong.
you could add to because it was funny.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I was like, oh, you can just add to his collection.
Hey, what are these? Magnetic wristband, one size fits most. Whoa, that's pretty sweet.
Isn't that freaking cool?
That's cool as hell.
Yeah, I thought you would like that.
And then a multi-tool ratchet set. That looks nice. Oh, a 22-in-1.
Uh-huh.
Nice. Oh, it has all the Phillips and whatnot.
Yeah, it has
I'm
a
gonna
bunch
use
of them
the
on
shit
the
out of
sides.
that.
That's a keychain too.
Marriage made you family. Love made you my son. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh,
Ooh,
that's
a
neat.
flashlight.
Yeah,
Cute
it's so
pad.
bright. It's battery operated. There's 2 of them.
2 of them.
Yes.
That's perfect. And a small for my toolbox. Screw extractor. Oh man. Okay.
Yeah, for like
That's nice. Yeah, those can
ones
be
that are
really
stripped.
bad. Mhm.
Yeah, they get them out for you.
A tire pressure gauge.
A digital. And I didn't know if that would be something you want to put in Zoe's car. Like, it's totally up to you, but it's digital,
Yeah.
battery operated.
That's pretty cool.
Everybody can use one. You know what I'm saying?
I like that.
I almost bought myself one too. I didn't, but
Chai black tea blend.
Gotcha. A few of those.
Some samples. Just gonna add it all right here. Cute.
It matches your wallet.
That's cute. And then a puff ball, and then a whistle.
And then there's a little finger thing for a finger-sized mace.
Oh yeah.
And then that's for like mace, and there's one for hand sanitizer. It's hand sanitizer.
Yeah. That's cool.
And then there's one for pepper spray or mace or whatever. And then
yeah, it's cute. It was on my list. Oh my gosh, Dunkin' bomb. It's like a chocolate bomb. Yeah, a hot chocolate bomb.
Yeah, that's what's down in my
And
stocking.
it explodes and dissolves. Cucumber melon, brightening creamy concealer, hair clips, candle lighter. Oh, this is the cool one. Elf eyebrow pencil.
That thing is amazing. I got me one too.
I know. That's
Yeah.
why it's on my list. And so inexpensive.
Yes, it's amazing. I love it.
We
You'll have
got
to charge us. if you
NK
use
Pure
it.
Lip Oil. I gotta charge the lighter.
Yeah, it comes with a charger.
It's electric. It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Boogie, boogie.
Oh, a little for my Crocs. A Z.
Two of them.
Oh, snap.
My
There's
first
two
one.
of them.
Is there another one in here?
Yes.
Oh, and then we have an eyeliner. Stay and Play Gel Eyeliner by Essence.
Oh, my women's multi 40 for plus.
What you trying
So
to say?
nice. Magnesium. Ancient Minerals Magnesium Oil Ultra with Opti MSM. Magnesium is good for you guys. Here's my bath bomb.
Not bath
Or,
bomb.
I mean, not my bath bomb. My hot chocolate bomb. That's what I meant.
AMC. Ooh, $45.
Oh, yeah, that was for both of you.
Date
Yeah.
night from mom.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh.
Couple ones for
Oh,
ya.
snap. Well, let's start with the Pac Sun, $25. And then a Bass Pro. I don't know how much.
25.
25?
Yeah.
We'll go 25. And then an Amazon.
Yay. We'll buy me
Also
more
25.
stuff.
Ooh.
Is it a necklace?
Yeah.
Okay. So, check that out.
Oh, whoa.
It says something on the back, and it's a football on the front.
Oh, it is. Whoa, that's pretty sweet.
And it has a
You're
scripture on the
not
back.
right. Yeah, it's nice and heavy. That's cool. Ooh, some Chiefs socks.
That's really neat.
Oh, snap.
Oh my gosh,
An
I
hammer
loved it.
multi-tool.
I bought them for one of my guy friends too, and he was like, "Oh my god, this is the coolest thing
Dang,
ever."
it has a knife, a saw, a file, large flatbed. Dang, that
A
has
hammer,
everything.
yeah, like it has a lot of stuff on it, and then it's got little drill bits on the side that are like slid in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Handle
cool.
lock, wire cutter, nail puller. It's got all of it. That's pretty sweet. Dear son-in-law, thank you for being my son-in-law. If I had a different son-in-law, I would punch him in the face and go find you. Love, your mother-in-law. Okay, I need the light to Son-in-law, I did not get to choose you. That honor was my daughter's. But if I could have picture match, you still would be the one. You're the love of her life, her cherished husband, and a blessing from the start. You're more than just a son-in-law. You're also my son in heart. Love, your mother-in-law. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, snap. What are these? Some
Nacho average son-in-law.
Oh, man. This is what an amazing son-in-law looks like. That's awesome.
Yes!
Ooh. Oh, dang.
Man, I searched for those.
Look
They
at
didn't
that.
have them, and then I waited a couple weeks. I searched again. Finally,
Dang. That's sweet. Some
cheese
cheese
grill
grills.
unpack. You guys got a grill, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought so. I was like, well,
I grew up on it also. Some tongs, some It's a
You can
sporty
char it
look.
with the KC with the paddle. You can like
Make it say Casey on
make
it.
it say KC
Oh
cheese on
shit!
it
No.
with
way.
that paddle thing right there.
Laser styrofoam.
For your man cave.
What's that? Woo-hoo-hoo. Chiefs clock. That is sweet.
Here we go! Yay! Merry Christmas! What are these? You got me incense too?
Yeah.
Scented candle. Ooh! Pink sugar and rose. Winter white plant-based candle. A plant-based one. Is this a trick?
No.
My youth boosting cream. 35. Chapstick.
35.
Chapstick addict. Yeah, 35.
Okay.
Anybody asks. My Lume.
Deodorant, we both got each other that.
Yeah, we both got each other the same thing. Makeup wipes. Ooh, Calm and Restore. Calm and Restore. What's this? Whoa, Clinique Happy. These are so cool.
Those are cute.
Casey. Oh, those are gonna be comfy.
Yeah, they're in a vacuum sealed pouch.
Yeah,
So I thought that was
that's
funny.
awesome. That is so cute.
Romeo
Oh my
likes it
gosh.
too.
I love it. I bet this is a calendar because every year, faithfully, I never buy my own because I know she's gonna buy me one. Every year, what is it this year? Cats, bridges, cats, cat memes. When you accidentally turn on the front-facing camera,
He's eating it. That's good.
stop eating my stuff. Prescription strength roll-on deodorant. Oh, me, I love deodorant. I do, man. I put it on like.
I should put that at the beginning of the video. You
I
know
do.
me.
I love deodorant. Too. You can put it on the front. Go right ahead. My wireless mouse.
But it's the ones that are three, or what is it called?
Ergonomic.
Ergonomic. So it like
Yeah.
stands up on its side. And guess who you have and what you have. You have to look at what's in your
A
hand.
kitty cat.
You have two of your cats. You have Romeo and Matrix. It doesn't
And
really.
some cards and a cell phone.
In your hand. You're holding your playing cards and your cell phone. The two
Oh,
things.
that's so me. And I got two kitty cats.
I know.
That
It's so
is the
cute.
neatest thing. Oh my gosh. My boredom is over. My Yahtzee electronic, you found it. Oh my gosh, my boredom is over whenever I'm bored. It is it! This is what I wanted! This is exactly what I was just talking about. Compression leg massager.
Don't know
That
how it
is
works,
great.
but
Oh my god. I wanted this so bad. Cats against anxiety. This is funny already.
hey guys, so that will be the end of today's super long, busy day and vlog. So as you saw, Joey and I were making some carrot cake, or baking I should say, and then he's also going to be making some peanut butter fudge. These are both for tomorrow. The carrot cake is for my dad's Christmas, and then the peanut butter fudge is for his mom's. You guys will see the outcome tomorrow because I am vlogging tomorrow. It is way late. I have a lot of clips to edit, and the video is already long enough. So I'll show you tomorrow, so we have more footage for tomorrow. I am vlogging tomorrow for all the fun events and games that happen tomorrow and all the gifts then. And stay tuned for my Christmas haul, what I got for Christmas, to see everything I got for Christmas instead of individual gift exchanges and opening every single thing today for my mom. Instead of doing that, I do an annual Christmas haul for what I got for Christmas. So of course that will be up. Not sure if it'll be up later or the next day due to having a Christmas on Christmas Day later in the day, having to show what I also got from his family. But if you want to see what I got other people, of course, that's all in the Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.